Welcome back everybody to Express. In today's tutorial, it's going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Google Sites websites. Having a custom domain for Google site enhances your online presence and gives your website a professional touch. It will walk you through each step of the process from Namecheap to Google Sites. So let's get started. Domain integration. Using a custom domain for Google Sites website not only makes it easier for people to find the strictness, but also is going to be helping you to strengthen your branding identity. Before we begin, make sure that you have a domain purchased from Namecheap and of course a Google account so we can sign into Google Sites. So as you can see, we have an actual website where we only have the home videos elements here. Is that you guys check out that we have an actual URL. Let's go for copy publish site link. We have sites.google.com view Techspress Ltd home. So today we're going to be using the domain of techspress.lol. So prepare your Namecheap domain. In your Namecheap dashboard, you want to navigate to the list of your domains inside domains, domain list. Now here, what you want to do is to select a domain you wish to connect your Google Sites. You need to access the DNS setting of your domain to point it to the Google site. We are into the advanced DNS. Let's set up your Google Sites for custom domain. Switch to Google Sites back. Now we are back into Google Sites. And here, let's go and click into settings. Now, gear icon, then navigate it to custom URL or custom domain and enter your custom domain. Let's go for start the setup. You have www, I go back, and in this case it's techspress.lat. And as you can see, we have now this domain is not verified. Please verify the ownership. So that means that we needed to copy these details as we needed them to the next step. Let's go for verify the ownership. Now here what I wanted to do is to go for domain. Let's get into continue. What it says checking the verification. What you wanted to do is to choose the record type of the TXT. Now here what I wanted to do is to copy this element and then I'm going to go back into the advanced DNS. Let's go for something into add new text records. Let's go and choose TXT and into the value I pasted the Google. Usually into the host everybody does www or just add. So let's go here into save changes. And there we go. Now I'm going to hit back and here let's go for verify. If this one does not appear, usually what you need to do is to change the host for add. So let's go and change this for add. So there we go. Verification method is now been verified. Now let's go back into Google Sites and let's try to type our actual domain once again. As you can see, now we have the section that says the check mark. Now updating the DNS setting into the Namecheap. Back into your Namecheap account, go to the DNS setting of your domain. You need to add the CNAME record with the details provided by Google Sites. So what I wanted to do is to go and create my CNAME, www, and enter the destination. So first of all, I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to do this really easy for you. Just copy this one. Let's go back into DNS. Now here I'm going to go for add new record. Now type the section that says CNAME record, into host type www, and into target paste the element that we copied from Google Sites. Now I'm going to hit into save the changes. Now what I wanted to do is to delete the CNAME record for other sections that we actually chose. In this case it's Shopify, so I'm going to delete this record. Once you have added the CNAME record, it can take some time for the changes to propagate. Now finalizing the connection. After updating your DNS settings, return to Google Sites to verify the connection as we did before. This might take a few hours due to the DNS propagation times, but once verified, your Google Sites website is going to be accessible via the custom Namecheap domain. If the verification fails, you can double check your DNS settings into Namecheap and ensure, guys, they match the Google Sites requirements. And there's how you do it. You have successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your Google Sites website. This site changes, elevates your website professionalism and makes it easier for your audience to find and remember your site. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Express for more tech guides. Have any questions or experience with the connecting domains to Google Sites? Let us know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck with your website. Stay tuned for more useful tech tutorials. Hopefully guys, we can all see you next time.